Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw Stripe payouts into Bubble admin panel step by step clearly. Log into your Stripe account on your preferred web browser. Navigate to the dashboard on the Stripe homepage. Look for the Balance tab on the left sidebar and click on it. This will take you to a summary of your available balance. Find the Payouts section to see your recent payouts. Choose the payout you wish to withdraw by clicking on its amount. Review the details for that specific payout, including the date and amount. Next, head over to your Bubble admin panel in a new tab or window. Log into your Bubble account using your credentials. Select the application you wish to manage from your dashboard. Click on the Data section in the left sidebar. Look for App Data and then navigate to the Payouts data type. Create a new entry by clicking the New Entry button. Fill in the required fields with the details of the Stripe payout. Include the amount, date, and any reference information that might be useful. Once you've entered the information, save the new entry. Return to your Stripe account and initiate the transfer to your bank account. Ensure you have linked your bank account in the Stripe settings. Confirm the transfer amount matches what you entered in Bubble. Keep an eye on both your Stripe and Bubble accounts for confirmation of the transaction. Congratulations, you have successfully withdrawn Stripe payouts into your Bubble admin panel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.